Definition of a project. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Okay, let us understand what is project. So project will result in product, service, or a result. That is one thing for sure. Okay, so I will now name some projects and people have to tell in chat box whether it is R for result, S for service, and P for product. Okay, so let me start. My project is to construct a flyover in Thane. My project is to construct flyover in Thane. What it will result into? Yes, Sachin is correct. Dipti is correct. Depend. Everybody knows that my product to construct flyover in Thane will result in product. My next project is to implement SAP ERP in Cipla. Yes, many people are right. Service. Implement SAP ERP or implement any software will result into service. Now the third one is my project is to eradicate malaria from Thane district. So that will result in result. Many of you have got it. Okay. So projects, very good. Very good. I am happy. Projects will result into product, service, or a result. Now we look at the word unique. Unique means nothing like that is there somewhere else identical to it. Nothing is identical. It is unique means nothing is identical. It is not repetition of production. Okay. So project will give out or the outcome of the project will be a product, service, or a result which is unique in nature. Here I will give one more example. Unique doesn't mean first time in the world. For example, imagine I am working in a lamp manufacturing company called Baroda Lamp Work, say, and now I am developing at a time, I am developing a 16 watt CFL bulb. Okay. My competitors have already manufactured 16 watt CFL bulb. Now, if I am developing 16 watt CFL bulb, first time in my organization, is it project or not? Is the uniqueness lost? The answer is uniqueness is not lost. Still, it is unique in my environment because nobody else is going to give me know-how of making 16 watt CFL bulb. So unique doesn't mean first time, but unique means something like that is not available with you. That is why you are doing. Okay, we saw what is meant by uniqueness, what is product, service, or result. But what do you mean by temporary? Temporary endeavor means it begins and ends. Temporary endeavor means it begins and ends. Okay, so developing bulb, we will start developing 16 watt CFL bulb and one day it will be over. So the project is temporary. But temporary doesn't mean short period. Bhakra Nangal Dam was constructed for 22 years. Or Sardar Sarovar Narmada project was inaugurated by first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and it was dedicated to the service of the nation by our current Prime Minister. Then can we call that project as a temporary? Then the answer is yes. Temporary doesn't mean short period. Temporary means it has beginning and end. Okay. Now let us see the word project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Now, one thing is there, developing CFL bulb, first time in my organization is a project, but producing the identical bulb, 300 bulbs per hour is an operation. developing a car, small car, later on which came to known as nano car, developing a nano car is a project. But having developed it, producing the same model again and again repetitively is an operation. So you must distinguish. We are talking about a project management. We are not talking about operations. The difference between projects and operations is projects produce output, whereas operations produce a repetitive same product again. All right. So this is the difference between operations and projects. Surely there will be 2-3 questions on these topics, and you must understand the definition well.